Hi, this is a continuation of Java tutorial. In previously we saw about what is typecasting, automatic and manual typecasting, and whatever the operators and Java operators are, and what are the logical operators and how it is calculated. So this is in the last video, and you can check in the Java basics playlist. So now we are going to see about the math function in Java. Let me show you, explain you just. Math function is an inbuilt function. It's created by Java developer for use the mathematical function ECD and apply the mathematical basic functions, basic equations, whatever it is, in the Java code, in the program functions, easily for our use. Let's consider if you need any maximum number, any small number, you want to compare either two numbers, or you need a cube root, square root, or decrement, increment, log, exponential, those kind of trigonometrical and fractional, logarithmic, all those mathematical equations you can do with this math function. It used to do the mathematical functions in your applications. Let's show you something. First we'll do system println. So let's describe int x is equal to 7, double y is equal to 0.0. Okay, so we are using math. How the syntax of the math function is, you can math is a static function, so you can directly call math dot whatever it is what you want to use. First we have used math dot max. So we will assign two int function, int dot is equal to 2. Okay, then 2 double function I is equal to 12. Okay, so math dot max, which means max, what we'll do is you have to give two parameters, which kind of this math will return integer. It's int, so the math will return the integer. It's kind of you have to, it will compare these two values and return the highest value in this b. Okay, so it will return integer as well as long, whatever it is, so you can use var itself. So if you print b, let's check, you can see in the log what is printing. It's printing 7. So math dot max will be compare these two inputs, we are having one input is 7, another input is 2, so these two inputs and give the maximum number. So if we math have another one function is min means it's a minimum. So you can see from here itself, if you see min, you can see you can use long, float, double, whatever it is, you can get that one. Now if you use double here, it will give you the minimum value of the two inputs. Minimum value is 8. Total is greater than 8, so minimum value is 8. So this is for math min and max. Mostly normally we will use this one for many places. And you have another one thing is, if you have another one div, and let's take it as w and 15 point. Okay, so which we another one function called round off in the sense, let's check with w what it is going to do. See, it will round off the value to this. So w we are round offing and storing in b, and we are printing the b. So this is a round off. It has a round off function, as well as it has many lot of functions. If you see, it has square root. This is square root, so I am putting h is a 2. 2 square root is 4. 2 2s are 4, maybe, I think, if I am not wrong. Okay, square root, it is reducing, it's not square, it's square root. So this is square root, that's why so it has another one function, it is cubic root. It is a cubic root function. So let me make it easy for you. So I am if the people doesn't know how to do this one, it is hard for you to understand if I am doing directly here. That's why I explain here. This is a variable, I am creating b and I am getting this one directly, and this b I am printing here. Instead of this, I can directly print this one in the string itself. Okay, so both are same. So for those who are doesn't understand, that's why I am first I explain this is, but now I am going to do like this from here, and it's make you understand easily. Max, for max x comma h, this one we print at max. Okay, we print with some messages, so it will be easy to understand. Max, okay, max, and min then round off, we will use w, and what you will t square root, right, square root of this and cubic root of this. So we have to add this one here, so you can see it in the result. What are the result you are getting for square root and cube root? Basically this is used in many applications. It will make you use you make your way easy. So you can see here this is, and now we are going to after this we are going to see the critical functions is the rare function we are going to use, and it must be very important for you. You have to know, you do, if you are using or not, that's not important, but you have to just know about this. When you need something like that, you can use this one. Let me show you about this. The above is are very common functions, mostly everyone will use. After this you have we will study in our school days this sine, right? So you can use it as sine 0.45, sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is in the decimal form, so sine 45 is this value. So it has another one, it's arc sine. Arc sine is inverse of the sine. Inverse of sine 45 is this value. So this is arc sine. So you have sine h2, sine h, so you have sine h value. So here itself you have sine a arc sine and sine h. You can calculate everything like here. If it's a mathematical application, you can get all those things from here. So this is because of what I am showing is you can do all the scientific calculator thing in this method. So not only for sine, you have for all the tan, cot. So you can see cos, right? Cos h and a cos, tan h, a tan 2. All those things we are having here as like that. Then we have another one function called sail. Sail is a class. It will give you the high closest point, which means high closest round off to this class. Let's check how it closest round off to this class. Let me consider. See, if the 1 is the highest closest round off, so it is giving high closing round off. If you need lower closest round off, means you can use floor. Floor is a floor will give lowest closing round off. It is 0.0. Not only for 4.5, if you give 3 point something, here you are giving 7 point something. So if you run, this will be 4, this will be 7. So this is the highest and lowest point confirm. And it has another one, floor div. You can now see about floor div. What it will do, it will divide those value and will make you like this, floor div. And so it's an integer input. Okay, we have to, first one will be divided by 2 and give you the output. First one will divided by 2. Okay, the first is a dividend value, second is a divisor, so there it will give you the quotient. Okay, so and it has mod, but this is kind of little bit complicated thing. What it will do is, it will the formula for this is x minus floor div of this x comma y into y. So this value will return from this floor mod. Okay, so just calculate, if you have any doubt, just calculate this one and find this one value. Okay, floor mod, what is floor mod? So and another, we have functions like increment and decrement. Increment means increment extract. If I give 4, it will give me 5. If I give 5, it will give me 6. Decrement extract means if I give 5, it will give me 4. So first increment will 6, decrement will be 4. So this is for increment and decrement purpose. Okay, increment decrement purpose. As like that, we have copy sign. Copy sign is the coolest function, you have to use that, which means copy sign. What we have to give 2 parameters. So what it will give means, it will give you the exact same value, your first parameter, and with that first parameter it will add the sign of the second parameter. So 5 minus 5. Okay, so copy sign will copy the sign of the second parameter and transfer to first parameter. So let's see, 0.5. So now I am giving here 2 minus, let's see, 2 minus, what will happen? See, sign will come. So second one is 5. So for it is a copy sign function. Got it? And you have all the scientific explanations here. Okay, it's like exponential. Mostly it is coming in max trigonometry, I think so. Exponential and log, you have got about log 10, log xp. So all those things you have studied in 10th 12th max. If you are using anything related to study applications, you can use this one. This is a very useful one. And next down, up, down, I think you guys know about FMA. We have studied in schools. FMA formula is like, it will multiply this 2 and plus this one. 5 3s are 15 and plus 4. This output will be 9. If I am not, the formula is correct for my knowledge. FMA, where is that? FMA is not printing. Sorry. FMA is there. Okay. Something is okay. We have done something wrong. I think I copied something and used it somewhere else. Okay, now it will. Okay, see 19. FMA of this one. This is the FMA formula. If I'm not wrong, I'll say it right. I have some memory about this. So this we have something like next up and next down and next after. So you have to give double in all the things. Double means 5 point something. Same value you will give for everything, then only you can understand the difference between all. Okay, so it after will take two inputs. Okay, after will take two input, which means I will first show you, and let me show you then. Misunderstand, miss my express, how to stop that. Okay, first show you. Okay, what up next will do is it will increment here, increment the point of 2 in here. Okay, it will 4 5 and 0 0 0 0 1, right? It has saying it is up next means it will increment. Up down means it is 4 5 4 5, so it will down 1. So 4 5 4, instead of this 5 4 full 9. You got it, right? Full 9. So what it will do is it will it will increment the first parameter base in the way of second one. Increment the first parameter. Increment means increment or decrement, any one in the way of second parameter. Second parameter is 7, so it will increment from, it will increase the value 4 5 4 5 to above. If I gave here 3 means it will give you this down value. Sure, you got it, right? It is giving the down value. So this is what this FMA will do. So and it will have the pi value, and it will have the exponential value. So both values will be here. I think you got it. You guys got it. All the math explanation, and think I explained everything good. And thanks for your patience. Thank you.